Here again, this year we are facing an election in Anambra State, and our party is passing through turbulence again, like never before. My prayer is that God will clear all these hurdles for us, make our people see the direction to follow that can bring better tidings for us.
Amen.
The election in Anambra State is becoming very challenging, both for the party and generally for the state. My prayer is that that election, God will intervene. Amen. So that peace will return, particularly to our own party, APGA. Let's go to that election and win it, because we need to win. APGA needs to win this election for us to continue our journey. Of course, I have said it clearly. My desire is that Professor Chukwuma Soludo should be our governor. I said it since May 2nd. I still stand by that, and I pray God to resolve all issues around our pushing him to become our governor. Let things turn around for better, because I have a hope in him that he understands our problems as a people. He's coming to be governor is not only to govern Anambra State. My hope in him is that to provide leadership to the Igbo people, so that we can rally our brothers from across the South Seas together and confront our challenges democratically. That is the only option left for us as a people. Igbo. Today, people told me that the Igbos should not go to a second war in Nigeria. But through good engagement and through good strategies, the Igbos will rebound in Nigeria and become relevant again. So I don't see any other hope except a political action. That political action can only be possible through this party, APGA. That is why, whether we are in the trenches, whether we are falling, whether we are lying flat or so, whatever the circumstance, I still hold the mission of APGA very dear. And I see it as the only way to light our path. You know, nobody will come and arrest anybody in Igbo land because you are exercising your political franchise and right. We can achieve our purpose by being united. Let us be united and continue to seek ways of exercising our strength as a people. We cannot go to another war in Nigeria. We don't want to go to. We don't want to lose our youths on daily basis being killed because of frustration. Let us come together. The Igbos should come together in APGA. I repeat it, this is the message Ojukwu gave me, that the Igbos should come together in APGA and use political action to fight for their rights in Nigeria. That is the only one. Nobody can send soldiers after you. That you are saying, oh, we are here. This is we want to vote here. Nobody will kill you because you want to vote here. If you go outside what is permitted by the law, then you begin to see things that you cannot manage, things you cannot handle. So I want to use this opportunity to renew my call to our people. Let's embrace ourselves. Let the authorities in Nigeria, let all parts of Nigeria see the Igbo people as brothers, as Nigerians, people who are Nigerian people that deserve equal rights and justice. It was the legendary Peter Tosh who spoke about equal rights and justice. Equal rights and justice. Any place you have equal rights and you have justice, there will be no problem in that country. What is good for northern Nigeria should be good for southern Nigeria. What is good for southwest Nigeria should be good for southeast Nigeria. It will also be good for south-south Nigeria, northeast, northwest, north central. Let everybody have equal opportunity in Nigeria. Let the people of Nigeria live in peace. This is my prayer. I'm 59 this year. Next year I will be 60. And I have not seen the Nigeria of my dream. I have not seen the place the Igbos should occupy in Nigeria. So it is easy to blame people for doing certain things because of frustration. But the best way to solve all the problems is to be fair to everybody. If government is even-handed, if government is fair to all concerned, there will be no, I don't want to be part of Nigeria again. I don't want to be this. No. If everybody's right is guaranteed in Nigeria, and our youths get jobs like others are getting, why should there be problem? So let me say that I've continued to preach that the only solution to the problems facing Nigeria, particularly the Igbo question in Nigeria, is for Nigeria and those in government to accept that the war ended 51 years ago. Let the war not continue under any guise. Those who sustain that war are the people causing problems in Nigeria. Like I've always said, I've worked with all parts of Nigeria. When I was national chairman of APGA, my personal assistant, Abdullahi Mohammed, is from Zamfara State. My national secretary, Anajistani Shinkafi, is from Zamfara State. I'm the Jagaban of Shinkafi Emirate Council.
The Jagaban?
Yes. So for 10 years, Abdul Mohammed was my personal assistant as national chairman of APGA. In fact, my office, he ran my office. So please, I want to use the opportunity to beg Mr. President Buhari to treat my people with love. I must commend him. He tried at some point, when I was arrested by DSS in 2016, I told DG SSS that the only thing that can cause, that can bring peace will be if our people are treated like equal Nigerians. That these problems will end. You know, let the opportunities be available to everybody, including Igbo people. I said it. So I must say that Buhari started doing something. Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway is almost done. Then Enugu Onisha Expressway is trying. Some parts are being done. The old 9th mile to Oka is already done. So he's trying, but he needs to do much more than that. We expect more in equal opportunities in terms of employment, in terms of appointing competent Igbo people into positions in Nigeria. This is the thing. A situation where we don't have anything as anybody as a service chief is not good. When I was in, there's no Igbo man there. The service chiefs, nobody. The heads of all the military agencies and paramilitary agencies, no Igbo man. So these are the things that will give us sense of belonging. If the president can help us do that, we'll be able to help in convincing our people that there is a new dawn in Nigeria, and everybody should close the hand and with the president to help him move Nigeria forward for the time he still has left. So what I don't accept is when it is obvious that we are being excluded from the events in Nigeria, from governance in Nigeria, and somebody is telling us that we are not saying the truth. You see, that is the problem. The leadership we look for in the various states now is not the leadership that will build borehole, roads and all that. We need a leadership for the people. You know, somebody who can stand up and without fear talk about his people. That is leadership. And that's why I'm saying that if it is the will of God, and I pray God that it will be His will, let all the problems on the way of Chukwuma Soludo be cleared by God, so that we can go to that election and win. When we win it, we'll be sure that we have somebody who is competent, who can carry our burdens. Apart from providing governance, we will be in a position to also provide leadership. So we need leadership. Igbos need leadership very badly, not governors. Igbos need leaders. Governors are just providing governance. But we need some people who can ascend to leadership and be identified for some sets of beliefs, some sets of ideology. You know, it's good to provide infrastructure, but leadership is more important than infrastructure. Because if you provide good leadership, infrastructural development will also be there. So that is my birthday wish, and I pray that God will help us realize these things. I'm 59, it's an odd year. It's my wish to get to 60 a new year, and then go to another odd year, 61, and continue. It could be said that I want 110. God, please, if you make me 90, I'm okay. I would have finished what I'm here to do. 90 is very good. Do you know what 90 is? Another 31 years. That's another 31 years. Do you know? It's not here. So I won't be greedy with life on earth. May the will of God be done. All of us. I thank you people, my media people. I don't know the type of dedication you have. Sometimes when I went to the Facebook a little this morning, what I saw there, I couldn't continue. I left it. It's only the evening that I will go back to start reading. My boss, my mentor, daddy, all these. So God, hear their prayers. But the things that make me very happy, when I see people we have talked their lives, saying all kinds of things, it makes me happy. I know that even if I die today, some people will still carry my name. They say that there was a good man that was here. So it's an encouragement that I received from all of you. So thank you for coming. When you go back safely until next year. See you on my 60th birthday. That was diamond year, and we are going to celebrate it. Because we didn't celebrate this one. So we are going to celebrate 60th in a big way. Birthday in a big way. God will help us. Amen. You are alive. Amen. All of you will attend my 60th birthday. Amen. And we are going to celebrate it with thanksgiving and gratitude to God for what He has done. Even now, I'm thanking Him. This morning, I knelt down and thanked God. I said, God, thank you very much for all that you have done for me, particularly giving me life. So that is the most important thing. So I thank you. God